Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here, and we're going to be taking a look at many different perspectives, so just make sure you stick around till the end of the video so you can get a full representation or idea of where we may be headed in this market. Okay, so let's start from the 2018 bottom over here. This would be your wave 1. Okay, this is your wave 1. And you had a very long wave 2, which lasted almost 1 year. You had your very explosive wave 3, which would be considered your 2020 bull market, your quick wave 4, and then your wave 5. Now, the reason this is your wave 4 is because this wave 2 lasted very long. So it lasted about 280 days, while this wave 4 lasted about 100 days. So about three times less. And this touches upon the alteration topic within the Elliott wave theory. And that topic states that if you have a complex and or long wave 2, you'll have a quick wave 4 and vice versa. So if this was a short wave 2, then it's likely that this wave 4 would be complex. Okay, so this is your wave 5 over here. And then what you see over here is your 5 waves down. So this would be your wave 1, your wave 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. Okay, now you have another 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. Now we are going to go up, okay, and Bitcoin is bullish and we are going to see higher prices. However, I don't think now is the time. And the reason I say that is because we had 5 waves up here. So this would make sense that this is your A wave like this. We're coming down for your B wave, right? We're going to trend sideways and downwards, and then eventually we'll have your C wave to hit those higher retracements on Bitcoin. Okay? So, yes, we're going to go up, and we are still bull, like the chart still shows bullishness. However, it's not bullish yet. Okay, so the question is where is this B wave going to land? Well, we can take a fib from the very bottom of the trend to the top, just like that, and we'll make sure this is on logarithmic scale, and we'll take out the 0.886 and add the 0.5 instead. Okay, so we can come down to any one of these fibs and reverse off of them. Now, now a lot of people say we're not going to go under 20K again, ever again. And a lot of traders have conviction on that statement. But I don't know if you know this, but the 702 and the 786 are key reversal points in crypto. Think of the 702 like a magnet. So it wouldn't be abnormal if the price comes down below 20K to hit your 702 to take out some stops before reversing up for your C wave. Now, remember that this B wave can come down to any one of these fibs, but your first level of interest or point of interest would be your 0.5 here at around 22,000 area. Okay, so your 5 waves are done for your A wave. Now you're coming down for your B wave. Now, this C wave, people are asking, where can this C wave land? Well, we'll take a fib from the very top here at 68K or 69K down to the very bottom of this trend. Remove your 0.5 and we'll add our 0.886 back. Okay, so it can come up to any one of these fibs over here. Now, I don't think Bitcoin makes a new high. Okay, and the reason I say that is because after this 5th wave came in, you went and did 5 waves down. Then you broke out of this 5th wave. Then you broke out of this downtrend for your macro A wave. Now we're coming down for your macro B wave, and then after your C wave, what happens after your C wave? Well, we have a trend continuation. So this would likely, and it wouldn't be just Bitcoin falling, it would be the whole market. And I'm expecting this at around 2027, Q4 2027, maybe Q3. So it looks something like this. So this would be your wave 1, this would be your wave 2, then you have your third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. Probably come down around the $3,000 to $5,000 area. Okay, and then 12Kers will really get to say, hey, we came down to 12K. Okay, so I do see us coming down for your B wave, which can hit any one of these fibs, but our first point of interest is around that 22K area. Then we come up for your C wave, which can hit any one of these fibs, right? Come up to any of these retracements before coming down for your macro third wave, which would just end Bitcoin. It would just put an end to Bitcoin. We'd see probably around 3 to 8K. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to take a look at Bitcoin on the smaller time frame. Okay, so what do we see over here? What do we see playing out? So this is the 12-hour time frame. So we're going to start all the way from the bottom over here. And we're just going to use the pen tool, because to actually map out the waves, it may take a little bit too much of your time. So I'll save you that. So this would be your wave 1, your wave 2, 3, 4, and 5 for your wave 1. Okay, then you have a wave 2 over here. And then you have your wave 1. Then you have your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, which would be your A, B, C correction. And then your wave 5, which would be your, so this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3, and then what you have over here is a WXY correction. So 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then another 3 waves down for your wave 4. And then you have another 5 wave move up for your wave 5. Okay, so now we have a full 5 waves here, right? Now let's break it down just a little bit more. So 5 waves down for your first wave, 3 waves up for your second wave over here, your third wave down here, fourth wave, and then your fifth wave right here and it's truncated. So now what we're seeing is an ABC correction to the upside to take out some liquidity at these fibs up there. Okay, so we're already bouncing on this 0.5. So I expect to move up above this range. This would be your sell side liquidity, which has been taken, but your buy side liquidity hasn't been taken yet. So I expect us to take out that buy side liquidity before heading down. So now once we get over this level, it's a huge psychological level. People will think we'll be going back up to like 40K and the new bull market is here, but no, we're just going to get knocked down again, in my opinion, at one of these fibs. So you have your 5 waves here. This would be considered your A wave, like that, your B wave, and then you have a C wave. Or instead of that, it's a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that's your A wave. Then we come up for your B wave. I'm just giving you a trajectory, right? This is your B wave, and then you have your C wave at those fibs I was showing you at the start of the video down here. Okay? So yes, I think we're going to go up. Most definitely, we're going to go up. Not financial advice, but I don't think we're going to go up now, right? And the reason I say that is because we've already had the 5 waves. Okay? Now we can also spot some patterns. This is a ascending broadening wedge. Go on Google, type in ascending broadening wedge, you'll see this exact same pattern. Okay, let me just show you a better chart here. Okay, this is your ascending broadening wedge. Just like that. And this over here was your bearish backtest. Okay? Now we're just coming up. We're just coming up to retest some liquidity. People will think we're going to start a new bull market and everyone will get all excited again. And then they'll just get dumped on. Okay? So we can continue this trend downwards. And like I said, your first point of interest is at that 22,000 region. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to click the link in the description below. You get access to all my socials, including the Patreon. If you guys want updates throughout the day, if you want to talk to me personally, if you can ask as much questions as you want, I'll be there to support you, and I can do technical analysis for you on any coin you want and any indice. Feel free to join the Patreon. Definitely follow me on Twitter so you can stay updated, and join the chat if you would like. If you like the video, please comment, subscribe, and like it. Share it to at least one friend, as I wouldn't be able to do this without you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.